How to send fake snap from camera roll as a normal snap. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat application. Once you are there, you have to go for your camera roll on the left side. Click on that and simply go for camera roll. Select that particular picture. Once you are here, you have to go for the edit button, which is this arrow button on the top right, middle right. Once you are here, you have to go for this scissor icon under the sticker, and you have to select the draw and simply select all of these picture by drawing on it. Once you are done, you have to click on done on the top right. Now simply resize it before save as a copy. Once you are resized, go back and save it as a copy. And once you are done, you have to go to your camera again and simply take a picture and go for the sticker on the top right. Go for the scissor, select your desired sticker. Now click on next and you can now send anyone you want to send. So that's how basically you can send fake snap from camera roll as normal snap without filter.